Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make churros in the oven. First, let's prepare our dough. In a medium saucepan, combine 1 cup of water, 2 tablespoons of sugar, half a cup of butter, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Bring this mixture to a boil over medium heat. Once boiling, remove it from the stove and quickly stir in 1 1/3 cups of all-purpose flour until a thick dough ball forms. Let it cool for about 1 minute, then beat in 3 large eggs, one at a time, until fully incorporated. Now it's time to shape our churros. Spoon the dough into a piping bag fitted with a large star tip, like a Wilton 1M. Pipe 6 to 7-inch long churros onto baking sheets that are lined with parchment paper. Remember to leave about 2 inches of space between each one. For a golden finish, lightly spray the piped churros with non-stick cooking spray. Bake them in a preheated oven at 350 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 to 35 minutes, or until they are lightly golden brown. Once your churros are baked, it's time for that irresistible coating. First, melt about half a cup of butter in a small bowl. In another shallow dish, mix together half a cup of granulated sugar and 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. As soon as the churros come out of the oven and are still warm, gently brush each one with the melted butter. Immediately roll them in the cinnamon sugar mixture, ensuring they are completely coated. This step gives them their classic sweet and spiced exterior. For the best oven-baked churros, remember a few key tips. Make sure your dough cools for a minute before adding the eggs. This prevents them from cooking prematurely. Using a large star-shaped piping tip is crucial for creating those beautiful, classic ridges. Finally, these churros are truly best enjoyed warm, fresh from the oven, perhaps with a delicious chocolate dipping sauce. Enjoy your homemade, easy-to-make, oven-baked churros.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.